Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the real Satoshi Nakamoto first claim. Surprisingly, there has been a relatively small number of people who have attempted to claim that they were in fact the real Satoshi Nakamoto. One of such persons is Stephen Wright. Stephen Wright is one of the only people who have made repeated attempts to convince the media and the public that they are the true creator of Bitcoin. In-depth research by various sources at different points in time both seems to validate and invalidate Stephen Wright's claim. Ultimately, however, Wright backed down and discontinued his claim of creating Bitcoin. Many of the proposed creators of Bitcoin have coding and other crypto-related background. This is only common theme and of course the most obvious one as well. The reality is that given the nature of Bitcoin, it is unlikely that the true creator ever aimed to be made public. If the founder of Bitcoin wanted exposure, they could have realized it easily. Anonymity is one of the core elements of Bitcoin, and its creators seem to have abided by this ideology, both in their works and in their private life. As time goes on, the likelihood of determining who actually created Bitcoin reduces. Once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done so, and watch my next video of when exactly was Bitcoin launched.